All right. So now we are going to take a look at text formatting elements. The text formatting elements were specially created so it becomes much more easier to give special attributes to your text. Now these special attributes are much different than just providing foreground and background color to your text. So first of all, I'm going to create this h1 element which I already created, and you can see in this different file which I've created. Text formatting elements is an h1 type heading, and I've given it a style attribute which says the background color is aqua and the color is blue, hence the outcome as you see it. Now, just for the fun of it, I'm going to include an HR element. An HR element is basically a horizontal line drawn in HTML by default. Then I'm going to start off with a paragraph. Let's see, the first formatting element that we have is bold text, which we thought sort of look at before, and it basically does is creates a bold text for you, and this could be part of any longer text. Similarly, we have italic, and we also have emphasize. Now you may ask, why is it that italic and emphasize are called different elements if they are doing the same thing? Well, yes, there is a simple answer to this. Whereas the italic only creates a slanting character set for you, however, the emphasis not only displays this as slanting, but if you have some sort of a screen reading apparatus, let's say your browser has an inbuilt screen reader, it is going to emphasize on those words which are put in the emphasis element tag. So when your screen reader reads it out, it knows that it has to use a certain pitch or a certain tone while pronouncing the items set inside the emphasize tab. Similarly, we also have small text. So the small tag is basically going to show you text in a smaller format that is basically than the root font size which is being set to a document. Then we have deleted text. So text can be marked as deleted, which may have occurred on your web page before, and now you want it to be made clear to people that yes, this text used to be there, but it has been deleted now. This also helps us to display content in its review format, that what has been removed and what has been inserted, which brings us to the insert element. So we have this text was deleted and this was inserted. Similarly, we also have subtext, which gives us the opportunity to downshift our font. So, we can write formulas such as H2O. Then we have supertext, which allows us to write mathematical components such as a square sign or an exponential sign. That's why we have this formula E equals to mc square written it over here. Also, we can have certain special tags such as mark. So let's say I have created this special bold statement over here. This is very important. And I want to just put this very text into a highlight. And you see, it automatically acts as if I have highlighted it with a marker. This is the best way of highlighting text, and but this is not the only way of doing it. With advancements in style sheets, we are able to do it using simpler methods. But before style sheets had evolved to the stage that they have today, we had basic styling techniques such as mark text, subtext, etc. All right, let's look ahead into our next chapter.